ever wanted to fly?
For instance, like these puzzle pieces. And to show off our new invention is the Wright brothers. Choose the right ones, not the wrong ones. And to show off our new invention is the U.S. Airmail Service.
Whoa, see how fast it is?
So we can get from here to here in only a few hours.
Wow!
Yeah!
That's awesome. One of our amazing pilots now flying a trick airplane during a circus. I bet this will become a major part of American life. Can you inform us on when this invention was created?
December 17th, 1903.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Choose the Wright brothers, not the wrong ones.
To get your aeroplane, call 1-800-AIRPLANE 1010.